see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day and the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful, wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, and also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying that I love you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
That is Thunderstorm Artis from Team Nick, and from the looks of the coaches, I could go down the line and talk to them, but their faces say it all as they were moved by that poignant messaging there. Thunderstorm, what a good time to get that message out into the world. I can't believe the production value in just 3 weeks of doing these shows, these performance shows remotely, have been so good. So job well done. Let's go to your coach. Nick, give us some thoughts on Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm, I'm so grateful that you sang that song. You know, I wake up each day, as I'm sure so many of us do in this time when we've been quarantined at home, trying to find ways to stay encouraged and trying to find ways to stay connected to the ones I love, and to remember that, you know, although we're going through a really tough time, there is hope in this world, and it is a wonderful world, and I believe we'll get back to days like that, and I'm so grateful you brought that message to the world with such pure and emotional artistry and with such vocal excellence. I hope America loved it as much as I did, and just thank you for doing that. It was incredible.
Thank you, Nick.